What is up, guys? Today we have something super special. Sorcery Contested Realms Arthurian Legends. I'm a big fan of King Arthur and Knights, so I'm really excited to open this. It's a brilliantly nice drawn box. Look at that. And the back of it. I've had this for months, but I haven't had the time to open it. And today we'll be enjoying it together. Here we go. I'm not sure how to open it. As you can tell, I wanna take care of the box. Let's see, I think we can open the cling wrap here. So this week I've been watching loads of sorcery content, just trying to understand the game and whatnot. There's definitely some depth to it that makes it a bit, like the basics are quite easy to grasp, but when you go through the motion of playing, that's when you realize there are a lot of little gaps you need to fill in terms of information to see how to make it work. Okay. Oh, here we go. I really enjoy and appreciate the fact that it's all hand painted. Something that I have to say is quite a rarity nowadays. Alright. So the first time touching the box without the plastic wrapping. This part is embossed. This part is embossed, the words. The rest of it is just flat, but very nice. Ooh, the frame is embossed too. I actually wanted to find some kind of case or something just to case this guy up. Like just the box itself, you know. Alright. Let's open this. Maybe my trusty knife is a little dull now. Oh. Oh, there we go. The seal has been broken and we are entering the world of Arthurian legends. The quest for the Holy Grail. Alright. Ooh, look at that. It's my first time looking at Arthurian legends. My experience with sorcery so far has been the beta starter kit. That's what you guys saw. Templar. Wow. Let's open this last. And we have so many nice packs here. Can't wait to get started. Alright. So I'm a very new player to sorcery. I don't open packs much actually. So, oh, there we go. Been waiting months to do this, you know. Alright. First pack of Arthurian Legends has been opened. Okay, you can take a look at it. It's a little curve, unfortunately. But I'm sure we can straighten that out. Castle Haunt, wow. And exceptional. It's a rare, but look at that art. Wow, look at that art. It's amazing, man. I actually haven't seen this art yet. Exceptional. Let's split the cards into exceptional and whatnot. The town. Oh, so much detail in this art, man. Exceptional. Attacked by night. Ooh, I like night and day and whatnot. Wow. Elite. We have Elite Worm. I really like this grid system. It makes it so three-dimensional. Elite Worm. Wow. Look at that. With this little ship there. Amazing. And then next we have the rest is ordinary. I'll go through these relatively quickly by my standard because I'm so new to all of this. Let's place them properly. I will definitely circle back to look at all these cards again properly. But wow, this is my first time unboxing so many cards from Sorcery. I actually only ever opened one pack from the beta box, from the beta starter kit. Sorry, I think it's called starter kit, yeah. The 4 decks, the pre-con decks. Squeakers. Look at that. Ooh, look at that art. Look at that moon. Wow, that looks good. Tactical move. Ooh, King Arthur, that looks like it. Led Astray. It's so charming, you know, the art. Duo. Wow, this looks so cool. That's so cool. I definitely wish the cuts were straighter, but maybe it's the humidity and whatnot. Alright. First pack opened. So far, it feels amazing, man. It feels amazing. The art looks incredible. So for me, I came from Magic. I started playing Magic. I'm not sure how long has it been. 2020. So actually 4 years now. And I guess there are just so many sets coming out and whatnot. It's a bunch of reasons, but I'm just very glad to be enjoying Sorcery now. Luck Cat. Ooh, Yellow Knight. That looks nice. Look at that. Wow. Purple Knight. Ooh, that's nice. I hope to get many knights. Elite. Monstrous Lion. Ordinary. Okay. Blacksmith Family. Forge. Look at that. That's nice. Kettletop Leprechaun. Ooh, nice deer. Thieving Magpie. Look at that. It's like some SpongeBob. Line Henge. Hamlet's Ablaze. And Shellycoat. I think what I'll do is I'll separate the lands. Helps to make the piles a little smaller. Alright, second pack has been opened. I think for this we can also do a pile. Nah, it's probably still little exceptionals to do that for. Okay. So the style of the packaging, it's blank in the back and you only have art in the front. It's all flat, not raised. Third pack. Here we go, third pack. Exceptional Degradation. Stone Rain. Knighthood. Oh, look at that. You can see a foil somewhere there. Knighthood, that looks cool. Oh, Elite. Okay, this is not foil. So I guess our foil card is a ordinary foil. Shapeshift. That's cool. Yes, an ordinary, but this is our first foil. This is my first foil ever. Look out. So with foils, you want that foil to enhance the art. So far, yeah, I think it does enhance the art. It's nice when the river is glowing a little. Okay. Ooh. You know what? Let's leave it right away. We wanna protect our foils. Ooh, look at that, the double-sided card. Let's see. Let's leave it this way. So foil, full art. This is my very first foil actually. Look out. I think this is actually a pretty good card, right? You get to see your opponent's deck. Hand. Okay, let's go. Charge. Oh, I like this art. I really like knights. Bonfire. That looks nice. Rescue. As long as I get more knights team cards, I'm just so happy. Tankless Squire. I think this one is one of the cards where there's a curio. I forgot how to tell. Let's just put it aside for now. Ooh, you can smell the cards. You can smell the nice smell of fresh cards. Brown bears. Common village. Wow, I'm gonna enjoy just admiring these cards, the art. It's so nicely done. I'm so glad I found out about this game. Alright, next pack. Pack 4. We have 24 packs, so yeah. Let's enjoy this. Iron Man Tellus. That's cool. Exceptional. Briar Patch. Ooh, another one of those with a grid. That's nice. Golden Harp Elite. I've seen this card being played in a game before. Ordinary, okay. So I guess the rest is ordinary. I wonder which will be our first unique. I've never opened a unique. Jaws! I see that card being used quite a bit. Hamlet. Sherwood Huntress. Reckless Squire. Burning Hands. Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at that. Nice bog. Power of Flight. Wow. I've actually ordered a beta box too. You know, I think it's nice to have a collection of cards. Next pack. So as someone who doesn't open much packs and even boxes, it's a real treat, man. I realize opening packs is really so fun. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. There's something about it. I normally just get singles. Unfortunately, it looks like many of them are curved. I can straighten them out. White Knight. Yes, give me more knights. Bailey. Picks of the Sounder. Elite. Sealy Court. Alright, oh, look at that guy. Ooh, you can smell the fresh cards, man. Alright. Arc Lightning, that's nice. Look out. Ooh, look at that. Just a rock. Weightless Squire. I know this one has a curio too, but I know it's not this. Alright. Pack 6. Let's go. Fresh cards, man. You can smell it. Ooh, look at that. An exceptional sight. I think it's one of my first. No, I think I've had one. Koinixie. It's nice art. I like that. Hunting Party. And ooh, a unique. This is our first unique. Bowl of Bliss. Wow, look at that art. Wow, that looks nice. Wow, Beast. I think the Beast deck is not something that really resonates with me that much because I prefer Knights. Wow, first a unique. Best Robin. Yay, we have a unique. Oh, this is scary looking. Fisherman's Family. That's so nice and charming. Duo. Wow, we have our first unique. I'm not sure how many to have in the box. No, it's not a given that you get unique in every pack because exceptional is a given, unique is not. So I'm just gonna sleeve these. Looks like I don't really have a method down to how I want to sleeve my cards. Let's see. I want to sleeve it the other way. Okay, so sealed side, one side. Alright. Let's go. Pack 7. Wow, we have a unique. Nice. You know what? Let's put the uniques here. I'll put Tagler Squire aside. Wow, so we have it in frame. Such a nice looking card. Wow, that's great. Alright. Cold Iron Rod. Sugar Plum Pixies. Unique! Oh, but this is the Knights. So it's different. But wow, I hope to get many Knights. Unique Sermorian. I'm not sure if this is the actual unique or it's a different one. Forge. Text Collector. Oh, that's cool. Leyline Henge. Brown Bears. Charge. Okay, Sermorian. Nice. With a Knight. Pack 8. Let's hope for good stuff, but I'm just happy to get any card actually. 8. Pack 8. Trowbridge. Giant Killer, that's cool. Kinda scary looking. There's something on the card. Frisky Red Squirrel. And Elite. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. Oh. So this is really my very first box opening, and I don't even open much boxes, so I kept saying I've constantly say that because I'm just so happy to be enjoying this experience. As I said, I normally just buy singles. Heard that in the Singapore market it's quite hard to get singles. A little harder. You can get boxes, but singles a little harder. I'm just gonna put this guy here. I wonder if the glare is too much for you guys. Okay, I'll put it aside. Okay. Alright, let's continue. So this is pack 9. End of the year we have Gothic, so I want to make sure I really soak in and get familiar with all this beta and alpha. Shutter Strike. Lava Flow. Picks of the Sounder. Oh, looks like we have a foil there. I guess it's an ordinary foil. Unseelie Court. Hey, it's similar to that card but different. I just realized. Foil. Exceptional. It's an exceptional. That's cool. Elite exceptional. Ooh, this is our first exceptional. That's foil. Murid Formorans. Wow, the foil is actually pretty cool. I mean, the art is a blurry art, and then when the foil rolls over, you can see the birds. Alright, Viking, that's nice. Common Village. Burning Hands. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Magic Missiles. Okay. I'm gonna sleeve our foils up. Gotta take care of our foils. You can look at the art from the back. Okay. 2 out of maybe 6 foils? I'm not too sure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pack 10. Pack 10. Let's go. Quite Nixie, that's nice, exceptional. Pukas? Elite Wizard's Den. Oh, that YouTube channel. I like how you can only have one unique, you know, and then rarity goes down. That's quite interesting for a card game. It's like how for Commander, or another foil, ordinary. For Commander, this is Elite, yeah. For Commander, I really like how you have 100 cards in the deck, which is so many, and it's only one of each. That's nice actually, a nice owl. Alright. Weightless Squire. stickers and alright. That's nice. So far we have 2 ordinary and 1 exceptional foil and 1 unique. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 10 packs down. Pack 11. We're almost reaching the halfway mark. I definitely hope to get more knights. Let's go. Oh. Black Knight, nice. I like knights. Oh, look at that, that's cool. This is a cool art. Tournament grounds, wow, you can see the armor and whatnot. That looks so nice. Unique, we have another unique. Feast for Crows. Another unique. I definitely prefer this art more. Alright, cool. Forge. Just a rock. Cool. Another unique. Let's leave our Samorian too. It's pretty unlikely you can get all the knights in one box, but let's just get what we can get. Alright, pack 12. With this we reach the middle of the box. Let's try something new. 3, 4. Let's put it like that. Alright, look out. Ordinary Fairies. Giant, Power of Flight, Sky Fox, Kettle. Exceptional Relic, cool. Exceptional, ooh, control people. Wow, look at that art. That's so nice. Town. Unique. Oh, but it's not a Sir. It's Dame Britomart. So at least it's another unique. Alright, halfway mark has been reached. Pack 13. Alright. So if you're watching this and you just opened your first box ever too, let me know. Or if you're about to open your very first box, let me know too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's enjoy this game together. Charge, that's nice. Bonfire. Tankless Squire. I think I really like how there's so many things you can collect. That's so nice. Alright. Hunting Party. Sisters of Avalon, that's cool. I like that. I like Arthurian Legends. Elite Drano Ball. Alright. 13. Pack 14. Pack 14. Let's go. Pack 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. I'm gonna put them aside. Let's see. Ordinary, Joust. Oh, that's a card we haven't seen, I think. Nice. Kind of scary. Joust, that's cool. Alright, let's see what our special cards are. Sugarplum Pixies. Oh, I thought I saw a foil. Babbling Brook. Iron Mantelus. And Guards. Oh, this seems quite good. In this pack 15. Yes, pack 15. And then soon, next pack will be 2/3 in. My very first unboxing. Pack 15. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a foil ordinary though, but oh, foil elite. That's cool. Wedding hall, that's so nice. Wow. That's nice. Look at that. It's a bit of a colorful color book kind of style. Oh, it gives you every peep. Oh, provides no mana, but if after or start your turn here, you win. Oh, what? Huh. I guess it's not really a card you can use often. Wow, that's cool. The foiling looks nice. Arc lightning. Did I count something wrong? Okay, I think, yeah, this is how we do it. Opening from here. So elite. We have elite, ordinary, ordinary, exceptional, elite. So this is where we at. I shall put this guy here now. I think we have 2 more foils. Unique! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let's look at the exceptionals again. I'm so happy. I really want to get this guy. The cover art, man. Wow. Sir Percival. Wow. It's one card I really want to get. Wow. Nice. I'm so happy with this guy. He looks so nice. King Arthur. King Arthur! Wow. That's brilliant. That's great. I'm so happy. That's one card I'm just... Oh, okay. I'm happy with the box already. So cool to be opening him. Okay, this is pack 5, 10, 15, 16. Pack 16. And this is 2/3 in. Alright, let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh! We have a foil. Oh, we know what it is already. Sorry. We know what it is. Just a rock. Oh, I guess we have a double. Forge. It's so nice to have so many sorcery cards now. It's really so nice. Well, Yellow Knight. Oh, this is such a nice card. Look at that coloring. Warhorse. You can carry an ally. Sir Palace. Yes, we have another knight, another Sir, and Lumbering Giant. Sir Palace. So cool. Give me more Sirs, please. Let's look at all the knights we have. Sir Morian, Sir Palace, Sir Percival, and then we have a lovely art. So far that's our 3rd ordinary foil with 1 exceptional and 1 elite. I like this because it's like a... It feels like such a key moment, you know, in Arthurian Legends. Like, I mean, I am a fan of the idea of Arthurian Legends. Maybe all the nitty-gritty I don't know that much, but all the more I want to learn and discover about it. So that's what makes it so exciting. Okay, we're going to stop doing that because we can see what's going to happen. So we're just going to do it normal again. Ooh, we have this card already, but it looks so nice. It does seem like buying a box is a nice way to build up a collection of cards. Elite, that's nice. It looks cool. Look at that. Hand painted, it's brilliant. Rescue. Shelly coat. Full of shells in her coat. Alright, this is pack 18. Pack 18. Wow, so far, I mean, I usually try to avoid buying boxes. Singles is the way, but wow, I'm really enjoying this actually. Stone Rain. Sorry. Stone Rain. Fine Courser. Verdant Knight. Yes, give me more knights. The Black Plague. Oh, it's a unique. We have another unique. Oh, look at that. Doctor, so nice. Wow. Oh, foil. Kingswood Poachers. Viking, that's cool. Magic Missiles. Another exceptional foil. Oh, that foil looks nice. Yeah, I like how you foil the frame and whatnot. This is a nice foiling. This is really nice foiling. The colors look so vibrant. Wow, this is nice. And I like how you know, in foiling you gotta pick out the right things to foil, and it really gives it more depth and dimension. And then we have our unique. The Black Plague. I'm not sure if it's better to have more knights for your unique slot or such cards, because as we know the knights are upshifted. 3, 5, 10, 18, 19. Alright, reaching the end of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19. Red Cap Prowess. I think this is a pretty good card. Funeral Pyre. Wyvern, that is nice. We haven't gotten that yet. That's cool. Give me cards. Oh, I think this is a good card. It is. It is. I think it is. It's a Archimago. Wow, cool. We have an Avatar. Is it ordinary? Yeah. Oh, that's a card we haven't seen. Archimago. Avatar. Oh yeah, the other avatar is Witch, right? Alright. So we reach the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, pack 20. 20. I think I don't think we're going to get any more foils, it seems. Wow, but the foiling looks so nice. Like, the fact that it highlights the text around the text frame. Wow, just looking from a distance, it looks so nice. Wow, especially this one. It's raised. I feel it raised. Wow. You can feel the text, the embossing. Wow, that's so nice. It's my first time experiencing foils from Sorcery the game. Snowball. So I guess the next hit we're looking for is just uniques in general. But for me, it's just any card we haven't gotten. Ooh, that looks cool. Banishment. That looks. I like this. So Sam McKinnon, no wonder. I really like his art. There's such a emotion to it. Unique. Supremus. Nice. Weightless Squire. Duo. These are so nice. Oops. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 uniques. And I got the unique that I want the most. So yes, Sir Percival. It's cool to see this card because I see it online. It's nice to see it in person. Alright, last 4 packs. Is it? No. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, last 4 packs. Last 4 packs. Here we go. Last 4 packs of my very first Sorcery box opening. Fresh cards, I can smell it. Sword and Shield. So nice. Ooh, that's a card we haven't gotten. Blue Cap Knockers. I think we had Red Cap, now it's blue. Horn of Caerleon. This reminds me of Lord of the Rings. You know, when during a sad moment when someone left this world. Band of Thieves. Alright. Third pack. What is it? No, this is our third last pack. Let's enjoy it. Like opening a box really scratches a certain itch. Oh, we have this already? No, we don't. It's just similar art style. Opening a pack really definitely scratches a certain itch, and I see why people like to open many boxes. We're looking at cards we haven't seen yet. Ooh, that's nice. Reminds me a bit of the woman that killed our Witch King, you know? I am no man can kill me. I am no man. I am no man. I am a woman. Nice to always get more uniques. Second last pack. Here we go. Second last pack of my very first sorcery unboxing and sorcery booster unboxing. Fire breathing, that's cool. It's like soaking in the air or the sun or something. Ooh, that looks nice. I've seen this online. It's nice to see it in person now. Perilous Bridge. Alright, so next we have our final pack. Took some sips of water just to cherish this moment. If you watched this far, thanks for joining me. Maybe you're someone that is thinking of opening sorcery box or joining the game of sorcery. I think just dive in, man. Stop watching so many videos. I mean, if you can afford to get a box, just dive in, man. Enjoy it. Enjoy the journey as we venture into the world of the Arthurian legends. Purple Knight. So lovely. Let's enjoy this pack. Oh, we have this already. Oh, we don't have this. Elite. I guess we start and end at the same spot. I guess that's it. This is our box. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna be enjoying these cards, looking into them in detail, admiring the beauty of hand-painted cards, the analog feel, the smoothness of the cards as I start my journey of sorcery. SpongeBob. Alright, so that's it. Let's look at our pools. So first we have the foils. Look out! Lumbering Giant, Ominous Owl, Kingswood Poachers, Myriad Fomorians, and a lovely Wedding Hall. Next we look at our uniques. Lady is sweet. Archimago, Sir Priamus, Sir Peleus, Sir Morian, and my favorite, Sir Percival. So happy to have him. A lovely looking card. Feast for Crows, Dame Britomart. He's on a rescue mission. And the Black Plague with the Plague Doctor. I went to Venice and I actually bought a mask. What does Sir Percival say in his body of text? A unique mortal destined for adventure as he looks out. And we have indeed gone on our quest. Today marks the day we begin our quest into the world of sorcery. let's open this now. Let's look at the tokens first. Oh, look at that, the Holy Grail. We have found it. We have found the Holy Grail. Little cuts, Foot Soldier. What's that? Stealth. Stealth. Lance. Lance. Foot Soldier. Oh, Foot Soldiers are double-sided. They're the same thing on both sides. These cards are really quite hard to handle, huh? Small. Templar, the avatar of choice for knights. And then we have Druid, Bryn, Tawny, and Rubble. Lovely. Lens rules, stealth rules. That's cool. And we have a nice foil card to thank the people that were part of this card. Of this game. So yes, thanks for joining me. I hope you are enjoying Arthurian Legends. I am very happy to finally open my box. So yeah, let's end by saying goodbye. Thank you for joining us.